Hi there, I am Elghazi Soufiane, Microsoft Certified Data Engineer and Power BI Specialist. In this video, we are going to talk about the calculate function in DAX. Whether you are just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this will help you get one step closer to mastering Power BI. Let's get started.
So in this video we'll be talking about the calculate function. So if you are wondering why your measure isn't filtering properly or how to make your DAX smarter, this video is for you. So the calculate is a function that evaluates an expression but under a modified filter context. Think of it like give me the results of this formula but only after applying these filters or maybe adding these filters. So the syntax is the expression, then comma, then the filters that you want to apply. For example, calculate the total sales, for example, or the total revenue just for the sales for the year of, for example, no, that's for the year of 2023. So this will recalculate the total revenue only for rows where the year equals to 2023. And how does the calculate change the filter context? So let's say you have a card visual showing the total sales, but now you want to only show sales from, for example, Morocco, regardless of what's selected in the slicer. So here you enter in the calculate the filter of for country, where country equals to Morocco. So here now, even if someone selects France in the slicer, this card will still show only the Moroccan sales. And for the filter modifiers, we have either override or add. So for example, a new filter, so a filter that is not present in the context, so this calculate will try to add this filter into the filter context. And if the same column as a slicer, then it overrides the slicer filter, it overrides the existing slicer, then it adds the new one. And if there is multiple filters, it combines all of them using an AND logic and enter them into the filter context. So that's it about the calculate function. So in order to, for example, for practical uses, you can filter on specific values by entering the value as we said, either by entering equal, or for example, if you have an amount, for example, you can use the greater than operator. You can combine many filters, for example, you can add another filters. You can then ignore all the filters using the all function. Then here you enter the column that you want to ignore all the filters of it. So the common mistakes is that using calculate without knowing it overrides slicers, and applying filter expressions that don't return a column or table, and expecting it to work without an aggregation expression. So as a pro tip, avoid using calculated columns unless you are intentionally triggered context transition. For most scenarios, it shines in measures where you are controlling the filters dynamically. So when to use calculate, when you want to apply or override filters, when you want to work with time intelligence, and when you want to full control over filter contexts, and when you are writing measures that depend on multiple logic conditions.
If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe, like, and share it with others. And if you are looking for a complete structured course on Power BI from beginner to advanced, I have got a full course available on Udemy. Feel free to join me there and take your Power BI skills to the next level.